How does a wig have shrinkage? I need to understand. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Collection. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this install together, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Collection. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh, I got hair on my thing. It is from the MyBelle collection. This is MyBelle CHAKA. Okay, so let me just go ahead and open her. I think she is a full cap unit, and it is curly, so that's the reason I chose her. So I'm hoping she gives me a little look. I don't got a lot of time today, so I just want to do something real easy and simple that y'all can do too. So I'm hoping I don't look like somebody's grandmother. So this is what the stock card is looking like. MyBelle CHAKA. She does come in natural and specialty colors, so if you want to check that out, you can. I think I got 1B2 chocolate pearl. See, grandma. Honey blonde, red merlot. Okay, I need some wine. They definitely kept her pretty much pulled together on the card. So we may need to fluff her out. Wait a minute, she looking real short. Wait a minute. Please don't be a church wig. Definitely a full cap. Ooh, this hair is really, the curls are real, like, they're a little crunchy and a little stiff, but I think I can fluff these out because they real, yeah, the hair is real crunchy, but it is a full cap, so you don't get no type of lace in this unit whatsoever. It does come with the adjustable straps in the back and the comb. No, actually, no, there's no comb. So it just has the adjustable straps. That's it. Nothing else. There's no combs whatsoever on this unit. I guess you just kind of plop her on your head. It's definitely giving me granny. But I will say around the nape and the hairline of the wig cap, it is pretty soft. It has like that that velvety smooth type of material. So I like that. I like that. The curls are real tight. So we're gonna have to do some things to get this wig looking better than what it is out the pack. So first I need to get my natural hair together. She is freshly washed and I did not stretch her out, so this is how my hair shrinks down. So I'm gonna put on, ooh, I got hair on this. I'm gonna use a little bit more water and just make sure my hair is not too dry, because when it's too dry it sticks to my wig cap and I can't be losing any hairs, none. I don't have any to spare, okay? So we're gonna put the wig cap on like this. Front of the cap, back of the cap. So it's gonna put this on. Can this fit on my head? Ooh. I don't feel like this is giving, like, is my head just really that big that it's not even shaped the same way on my head as it is on hers? Like, this is giving more of like a pixie look, whereas hers is giving more of like a bowl cut. We gonna see though. All right, so I'm just gonna fluff it out. I need to get this stiffness out. All right, there's the shape. I think it was just packed in there. I'm getting some hair is falling out. So I guess a little bit of shedding. How does a wig have shrinkage? I need to understand. I need to understand. Okay, fluff, 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 fluff. Like if I comb it like that, what happens? Let me put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing, because I don't want to comb it if it's not, you know, if it's not going to do what I need her to do. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna brush this out because the curls are a little bit too tight and they're not giving me the same. Like on the card is definitely giving me more Shirley Temple. These are giving me more just curled. I'm just gonna brush this out and keep on brushing. Let's not snatch it off my head. Let's not do that. I see something I want to do, I think. Okay. If I pulled it back like that, she could definitely be a cute little look. So let's keep messing with her. So I'm going to attempt to style this wig up now. I'm going to use the Esha Slick and Slay 2-in-1 braid and edge gel. Okay, ultra extreme hold. Let's get that off of there. That's what that's looking like. It is a fresh container because I just got it. Mary Kay Bella, she was the one who put me onto this because all the gels or all the edge controls I be trying, they don't always hold my hair. So she said this was good, so I trust her. Ooh, it's definitely slicking down my edges. Okay, not bad. Keep on shaping. I want it to be like a little curly bush. That's what I'm looking for. I think I want to, do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? I think I do. So let me just pull some hair out here in the front. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna put some edge control. Hold on, put some water on this first. That edge control and water do not mix, so be careful. I'm gonna take some of the hair like this. Like this. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Like that. I'm gonna body pin it. Get my nails out the way. So I'm gonna take this, like that. Bring this over to the sides, like that. More gel. I told y'all. I told y'all I was gonna get it together. I had to figure it out. Bobby pin this down and push this back. So I wanna make sure you can see my little pony. Let me bobby pin it down in the back, so I wanna make sure it doesn't be rising up. I rise. I can't be having my wig lifting in the back, y'all. The back is not situated, it's too flat. Can't be smushed on the back of my head like I've been laying in somebody's back seat. Can't, This deserves extra edges, okay? It deserves extra edges, so leave me alone. My glasses are dirty though. Hold on. Out here trying to work with mosquito dust on my glasses. Golly. So, initially I was just kind of like, what y'all sending me, Janet Collection? What you sending me? But I love it. Let me put on my lip gloss, finish up the look. What do we think? Wait a minute, my ear, I don't know, this is like the second earring that fell out my ear. Do I have a hole somewhere? This is an everyday wig for me. Curly wigs are an everyday wig for me because they're easy to style. Especially with my hair texture, I don't gotta blend too much in or blend it out or straighten anything out. I can pretty much just plop the wig on my head and go. To the side, this is what she's looking like. And then this is what she looks like to the back. All right, so some of these I can tell are still a little crunchy, but I just pull them apart like this, and that'll help it out a little bit. Fluffing her out definitely gave her more, like, you know, softness. This is considered a premium synthetic fiber, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but they suggest that it's good between 260 and 400. That's a big gap. So I would suggest staying around that 380 range, maybe even 350 based on, you know, what I've seen from Janet Collection and how this was filling off the pack. You may not want to put too much heat on this one. I remember rocking my hair like this in college, giving myself the little the roller curls and then taking them out and pulling them apart and wearing my hair like this. One of my easy go-to looks. It looked good on everyone. Was this easy? This was easy, right? I actually like it pushed back off my hairline and, you know, style like this. I could probably even do like a little half pin back type of look with the hair coming this way. Ooh, I may try that later. Now on the link that I'm leaving you, this wig is under $15. And on some other sites, it's around like $17, $18. I probably wouldn't pay over $20 for this wig anyway. So the price point is good for me, okay? This is no longer a grandma wig, not at all. So yeah, that's it. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some links down below for this unit, so if you want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.